The things needed for this to make this mask are a handkerchief and two rubber bands. First, open the handkerchief and mark it into 3 halves like this. Then fold the kerchief according to the marks. Now again fold them into 3 halves. This time the middle one should be little bigger and the other ends to be shorter. Ensure that when you fold they meet together. Always the opening end should be down and the closed end should be up. Next, take a rubber band and insert it like this. Insert the other rubber band also in the same method. Your mask is ready to wear. This is reusable and can be used normally as a handkerchief.